Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to translate a message in Telegram. Language barriers should never hinder communication, and with Telegram's translation feature, you can easily understand messages in different languages. We'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Ensure that you're logged into your account. Step 2. Before we proceed, make sure you have enabled the Show Translation button feature in your Telegram settings. This option allows you to see the translation button when available. Step 3. Go to a chat where you want to translate a message. It can be a private conversation or a group chat. Step 4. Tap on the specific message that you want to translate. Once you tap on the message, you'll notice a menu appearing with several options. Step 5. Among the options, you'll find Translate. Simply tap on the Translate button and Telegram will instantly translate the message into your default language. By following these simple steps, you can easily translate messages in Telegram, enabling seamless communication across different languages. Thank you for watching, and enjoy a multilingual messaging experience in Telegram.